So, hi guys, welcome back to my channel Info with Suraj. Myself Suraj Azutti here, and I am here with a new and amazing video. So, let's get started. So, presently, what's going on in the country other than COVID 19? Think? Okay, no idea? Then I'll help you. So, just take a look at these pictures. What do you feel? Any idea? So, I think that you guessed the topic, right? So before beginning with the topic, make sure that you like the video and also subscribe my channel for more videos. So coming back to the topic, if you have thought that the topic is cyclone, then you are absolutely right. So what is a cyclone? How is it formed? What does it do? A lot of question arises in this mind. Hmm, a lot of questions, right? So don't worry, you will be answered to all these questions in this video. Cyclone. A cyclone is a large scale of air mass that rotates around a strong center of a low atmospheric pressure. Means cyclone is a large scale of air mass that rotates in a low atmospheric pressure area. Point number 2. It rotates anti-clockwise in the northern hemisphere and clockwise in the southern hemisphere. Point number 3. The cyclones are characterized by the inward spiraling winds that rotate about a zone of low pressure. Means inward spiraling winds that rotate in a zone of low pressure are characterized by as cyclones. Cyclogenesis is the main reason or the process or the procedure of formation of a cyclone. Means cyclogenesis is the reason or the formation of a cyclone. We can simply say that a cyclone is a formation of rotating of large mass of air. Cyclogenesis is the process for formation of cyclone. So let's get ahead. Formation of cyclone. Cyclones are formed in the low pressure area. And point number 2, when the temperature difference between the warm rising and the cooler environment led to the rise of the air to become buoyant and then moves upward. Means the temperature difference between the warm rising and cool. As the warm moist air rises and cools, the water in the air forms the clouds. The complete system of clouds and wind spins and grows along with the ocean's heat and water evaporating from the ocean surface. The moist air rises and cools to become clouds. The complete system of clouds with the rotating wind spins and grows in the height, including the ocean's heat and water evaporating from the ocean. As the wind system rotates with increasing speed and eye gets formed in the middle, the center of a cyclone is very calm and clear with a very low air pressure. The wind system rotates very fastly and increasing its speed. Eye gets formed in the center of the cyclone and a cyclone gets formed. Then comes the effects of cyclone. The cyclone's strong winds can rip off a house or destroy it entirely. It can send flying debris into a house. Means a cyclone's strong wind can destroy a house or completely destroy a house or send rocks or some debris into the houses. Heavy rain, strong wind, large storm surges near the landfall and tornadoes. Means heavy rain, strong wind cause near the landfall and tornadoes. Heavy rain may cause flood and food crops get destroyed, which leads to starvation. It can also cause coastal areas and its habitats get destructed due to cyclones. As you can see in the picture, boats at the coastal areas get destroyed due to high tides when the wind is accompanied with high tides. Point number 6. Heavy rains accompanied by strong winds around the cyclone prone areas cause destruction. When Let's come to the topic Taukte. Taukte is the fourth cyclone in the consecutive years to develop in Arabian Sea. The eye of the cyclone passes through the Gujarat and its effects are also found in Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka and Kerala. Taukte is moving ahead with an unexpected speed of 150 to 160 km per hour, gusting to 175 km per hour. And the last is safety measures. Point number 1. Don't panic when the cyclone warning has been given to you. Be calm. Point number 2. Stock food, medicines, and other necessary things needed for your survival during the cyclone. Point number 3. If you still have time, move to a safer place if possible. If the cyclone is far, move to a safer place. Point number 4. Fishermen should not venture into the sea during the cyclone warning. They may sink. Point number 5. Construction of a cyclone shelters in the cyclone prone areas for the people. Point number 6. People should cooperate with the rescue team. I hope you found this video useful. If you found this video helpful, please hit a like and also subscribe my channel. I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.